Let's see and learn about the digraph AU. Letter A makes the sound A and letter U makes the sound A. These two letters join together and makes the sound A. Let's see some words with A sound. Let's start. A. Toe. Auto. Auto. As. Drawn. A. T. Astronaut. Astronaut. S. A. S. Sauce. Sauce. Dino. S. A. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Audio. 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 Pass. Pass. Hall. Hall. Rest. Rent. Restaurant. Restaurant. Inch. Launch. Launch. Author. 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 Laundry. Laundry. Aunt. 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 August. 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 Alt. Walt. Walt. Autograph. 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 Autumn. 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 Audience. 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 Cauliflower. 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 Laughter. 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 Nausea. Nausea.
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.